Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I don't know how it happened, but it's Friday again. Yesterday, was Monday, now it's Friday. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Bova, Catalin, and everyone. Good morning. Nice to see that Bitcoin is still strong and still pushing. So, like I said, it's Friday again. Let's do a short overview. I have something to do a bit later, and I'll probably close faster or all of the sudden this live stream. Let's start with Bitcoin on daily. You can see it here. We kind of accept above the old 100 level. It's old from now on. We are pushing in the short reload zone, and I think we'll take this level. We'll SFU on the short term, and we can push even higher, deeper in the short reload zone. 78.6. And until the Trump inauguration, I think we can even test the all-time high. After that, I don't know. We'll let the market tell us what to do. So, overall, we are more than bullish here. If you still have, like I suggested, to keep 20% from the SFU from the downside, well, keep it, because I don't see any reason to close that trade. And that moonbag could give you nice profits at the end. I still have it and I'll keep it. I don't think it's worth mentioning every day in every live stream, but if you have it, keep it. I don't see yams, I don't see anything else. The only short I have is that shark I said 2 days ago. It's a bit underwater, but I don't care. In the rest, long, strong, full bags on the investments. If you remember what I said 2 days ago, that I don't have more room to buy altcoins. I'm a bit overexposed in my opinion, but as much as the market is pumping, I'm more than happy to keep it. If I'll see the market reversing, I'll not sell my bags. I'll try to hedge short on futures with Bitcoin. Simple. Okay. So, we are pushing in the short reload zone. It's not a good location to hunt long ideas. If you have Holy Grail, okay, you can do it. On 5, 15, 1 hour chart, you can hunt long ideas. But overall, thinking range and thinking short reload zone, we should look for short ideas. Because the market is so strong, we can stay the fuck out, but not to short this market. If you have the shark setup like me, I don't think you need to add more or to do something else. Just my 2 cents. Indicators here, you can see nothing special, just following the price action. Some bullish divergence here, a little bit, but it's there and it's trying to confirm here. You can see low, higher low, lower low on the price. Similar on OBV, so seeing strength in a bullish divergence on OBV, in RSI and everything makes me think we can push a lot higher. Just my 2 cents. Well, I don't see too many people today. It's Friday and people are not usually following Friday. But at the same time, I don't know if someone is only on Crypto Traders Arena Discord, is not following the live streams. They are free, they are for everyone from our community. If they could call themselves Crypto Traders Arena members. I'm not saying to say good morning every morning or to post a message every day, but yeah, so Catalin is going to school. You are going to school again, Catalin? No, you are not a bit too old for that? I'm joking. Okay. Bitcoin is still strong. Not the best area. I know some people will ask, well, I could FOMO here. Well, it's up to you with Holy Grail. But Holy Grail means setups. Holy Grail means stop losses. and respecting the stop losses. Simple as that. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum. Underperforming. I could see an AB equals CD forming here. I posted an idea on a VIP gist as an idea. I could see if Bitcoin will stay above 100k, if Bitcoin will push higher, I could see Ethereum recovering some ground. But nothing special. Yeah. Indicators following the price action. Not as strong as Bitcoin, but we can push here in a short reload zone. We can even test 78.6. Of course we can. 78.6 is just I don't know, AB equals CD move to the upside. A bit aggressive, but it's there. So why not? I don't think anyone wants to think short here on Ethereum. Just my 2 cents. Even if you'll take, for example, this one. No, sorry. 1 second. I think this I want to share. Yeah. We are at 61.8. Now we are below that short reload zone. You want to short here? I don't think it's the best idea. In general, overall, if the market will dump, well, you'll look like a genius, but tell me if you'll make profit on 100 trades, not in one. So we kind of completed AB equals CD here. We can do a up AB equals CD. Yeah. I'm hunting long ideas on Ethereum. That's my point here. Bitcoin dominance on daily chart, you can see. Still in the same range, still orange scenario. People, it's kind of hard to do an update every day and say something new, because the market is day in, day out, kind of the same levels. So I get it that for some people it's boring to watch the live stream. Well, I'm doing the same thing every day because I'm a trader. I need to find my levels. I need to see the market overall, and I need to trade after that. So I'm doing this job anyway. So if you are with me and you love to trade, leave a like on this live stream. Okay. Still thinking range here. We can accept below 57. Yeah, if we'll do that, that will form a big yam, and then we can think about lower levels, 55, even lower. But for the moment, I still think we are consolidating this level. Consolidation again is boring. Some altcoins with events, strong altcoins, will outperform. Most of them will just stay there. Nothing fancy. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I'll repeat the same message like yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and so on. Don't be bearish here. It's that simple. We have a setup, we have a long idea here. No. I wanted an LJ bull. We are on the wrong side of the trend line. So I need a W the other side of this trend line. We are far away from that level. Keep in mind we are on daily chart. So we'll take some time until we'll form a W the other side of the trend line. We can spike all the way up. Yeah. But usually to spike up and form a V bottom here, as you see sometimes, you need market to dump first. I'm hoping for a clear small W the other side of the trend line and without ugly events. But it's up to the market, not up to me. Now, let's see total. Total market cap, like I said, above 3 trillion bullish. You can see it's pushing the highs here. Will accept? I think so. Total 3, we discussed it over and over again. We are fighting 1 trillion level. Seems like we are making W's here, so I could see an AB equals CD to the upside. Okay, 1.5 trillion at some point. But first we need, it's a good thing that we have a higher high here. I need to see the market accepting above 1.1. That's another resistance level. If we'll accept, then probably the move up will be violent. Probably. Okay. Even now, Stefan, I posted, you can find an LJ on Ethereum on lower time frame. If you have time, you can frame that. So, that's my overview here. I don't think it's the case for us to look at the coins on higher time frame here. Yeah? I don't think it's the case to look at all of them. We had the levels, we got the fields, we talked about coin by coin at some point in time, and I showed you the levels. I showed them to everyone here for the public, not only for premium or VIP people. Some people put the limit orders, bought some coins. Some people said, well, it's impossible. And now the market is a bit above. On some of them, it's above that level. Scan the list, see what you have, and maybe you can still find some of them good to buy. On higher time frame, we can still buy a lot of altcoins. They are cheap. Will stay that for long? I don't know. I don't think so, but it's not up to me. So if I'll zoom out on a weekly chart, I'm taking one. You can see it's still buyable here. I cannot say it's not. This one, okay, it's still kind of buyable. Yeah, you can buy here. Well, this one, it's a bit late, but you can still find a setup there. This is definitely buyable. Too many equal lows there. Nice location on open. Nice location on this one. Acceptable, let's say. We didn't even got a fill. No. Too high. On higher time frame, look at this one. GMT. If you can find a W here, do you think it's buyable in this location here? I think it is. Let's put a long reload zone. So there are still a lot of opportunities. Look at it. It's in the long reload zone on weekly chart. Let's go on daily. Okay. Let's see what we have. If I form a daily W, you think it's a good location here to buy this coin here? You think we can go from 1.4 or 14 cents to, I don't know, 20? And give you a 5 to 1, 4 to 1 risk to reward? As a trade, not as investment. As investment, it's a good level anyway. I think you can. You'll be patient. You'll wait for a W. Look at what happened last time we had a nice W. Straight up. Look at more W's here. So people, it's up to you. Find the setups. I'll post some of them. But I cannot post all of them. Okay. Let's zoom in back on day trading, swing trading kind of idea. Economic calendar today in the New York session, we have building permits and housings. Well, we have some events there in the New York session, but nothing special, nothing too big. Now, let's see on lower time frame, or technically lower time frame. Look at the fight at my white line, just a bit below 100k. Now it's back as a support, and you can see the market is pushing higher. Looks like we accepted above 100k, in my view. Looks like we want higher. Trump inauguration is getting closer and closer, or we are getting closer and closer to Trump inauguration. It's still okay to hunt mountain man and shark. If you get a fill, why not? I don't know if the market will dump all the way down, but it's always a good idea to play that combo. If you want to play around on lower time frame, you can play a short idea here, short idea, an SFU idea on lower time frame. 5-minute chart, if you see a breakout and a reclaim back in the range, yeah, we can play an SFU. But look at the market. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It's strong. We have bullish events in front of us. I don't suggest to short this market. Even if I have that shark. Well, okay. The shark is in the market. But it's mostly like a hedge. And overall, the market is bullish. Some people ask me, well, we are bullish, what we should expect? But look at the market. It's strong. Well, I want a retracement to load. Well, you had the retracement. You had even the SFU. You had the opportunity to buy. Well, I didn't do it. Well, that's your problem. I was yelling here, blabbing away. Well, deviation. Well, bottom of the range. I was here. Stefan was here. I was posting charts with deviation and load your bags. And I said multiple times in all the live streams. Now, it's kind of hard for me to chase here. And even to give you another reload. Well, where to reload? Well, let's wait for a local top to think long reload zone. Because the market could push a lot higher here. If you want to chase, okay, take Holy Grail 50 minute chart and make some setups and trade with Holy Grail. Well, I want to buy spot. Well, sorry. Go and find some altcoins. There are still opportunities out there every day. But on Bitcoin, kind of hard for me to tell you something. It's exactly what will happen with altcoins. I'm blabbing away. I'm saying, well, altcoins are cheap. Everyone, well, no. This time is different. Altcoins will not move. And all of a sudden, you'll see them 2 times higher, 3 times higher. When you'll start asking, well, where I should buy them. Not all of you. Some beginners. Because all people here, they learn in time to trust the TA. They learn to buy the dip. So on Bitcoin here, I have this trade. I'll play the short SFU if will be the case, but overall I'm more than okay with long ideas. I was speaking about an LJ long. Well, look at it. You can see it. YAM breaking down. LJ W the other, complete W the other side of the trend line. I was posting when the market was at the POC. I suggested to Stefan and VIP, and I think he posted it. I don't know if he posted or not, but seems like it. In the same time, now let's hide a little bit the volume. It's an aggressive, but it's Ethereum, and the same, we have to remember it's Ethereum. It's an aggressive AB equals CD. We have the AB, we have retracement at 33%. We have a big W here, breakout and retest. And AB equals CD is possible. Target 3,800. Seems similar with other levels. I think so. That W was there. Yeah, on lower time frame, it's buyable. 5 minute chart, it's all you need. And I don't think I need to post more to Stefan or to VIP guys to understand what I mean. If I posted this chart, I think they know what to do. Okay, so that's Ethereum on lower time frame. Let's zoom back on this chart. On 4-hour chart, we kind of have a V bottom here on some of them. Dimension. I think we need a retracement. We'll get it? I don't know. Look left, we have some resistance. So we can retrace back and that will form a bigger W. FET, similar. Look at this nice W here. Well, not the best location anymore. This one is retested the lows and now is pushing. This one is pushing, and if I remember correctly, I posted a trade. Or Stefan posted a trade. Saga is doing an AB equals CD. SFU here, not the best location anymore. Secret is forming a W, and maybe we'll do an AB equals CD. So if you want to hunt, go on Secret. Find this W, and maybe you want to do something with it. Solana, V bottom. I like that. That's strength here. We took the liquidity, now we are pushing higher and higher. But if you want to trade this one with Holy Grail, Tao, well, you can still think here. We had a retest here, but you can think AB equals CD on Tao. Target all the way up here at $540. That's the target. That's in the short reload zone. The trade is there if you want to see it. TIA, well, it's a bit too late on TIA. It's pushing, look left, we have some resistance here, so I don't suggest to find setups here. PS 500, I'm not trading this one. On higher time frame, you can see this one with wild, how the fuck is called? Anyway, look at this consolidation. Breaking out and retesting could be an opportunity. Buying here is asking for trouble. I know it's bullish. I know the probability to break out is big, but breakout and retest. If you buy it at the resistance, sometimes works and the risk reward is acceptable, but you have to choose the market conditions. If you play it every time, you'll lose money because 70% of the time you'll have fake outs. So you need a good risk to reward and choose your time when to play it when you see a lot of strength. Ripple, well, I blabbed away about Ripple days ago. It's strong. It's pushing higher. Ripple will probably recover what didn't pump last time. Buying Ripple at $3.3? Come on. You can do it if you want, but no, I don't suggest to do anything. Well, to take some requests, let's take some requests. One or two and I'll call it a live stream. So, find some long setups. Find some on Ethereum here. I still think it's possible to take this pump chaser zone. If we leave out, Bitcoin will retrace in the London session, maybe even in the New York session. Ethereum will dump in the pump chaser zone and will do a W. That's a buying opportunity. Okay? Higher time frame, 4-hour chart. Let's take one or two requests. Ondo, let's see. Ondo. Let's remove drawings. Let's see what we have. Ugh. Kind of hard for me to find the location here. I love the chart, it's bullish, it's strong. Kind of. But I don't have a good location and we are against some yams here. So higher time frame, you should think at least this low. I'm not saying to take the low from January, but at least this one. Huh? We touch 61.8 and we are bouncing. We don't have a location to buy. Look left, I think if the market will come back down here at $1 and make a W, that's a buying opportunity. Could push lower to 78.6, 85 cents, yes. Could push here because this is the big volume, this is the volume. Now you can see where the POC is at 80 cents. Could push all the way down to POC, yeah. And if we'll do that, it's a buying opportunity, of course. Here is kind of chasing, not chasing, but not the best location for a trade and not the best location for investments. If you have a bag, well, keep it. We are in a bull market. Okay. If you wanted lower time frame, you should say so, Indian kid. Here we have a rule, ticker and time frame. Velo. Let's take a look at Velo. KuCoin I think is more than okay. All drawings, we can see. Not bad TA here. Simple things, not overcomplicated things. Taking here a trade and look at the result. Let's remove their old. Well, let's zoom out on weekly. We can see something nice on weekly here. Look at it. I don't know what the fuck is Velo doing. I don't know if we'll succeed or not. But this looks like a weekly, monthly W here. No? Well, if you are a daily trader or swing trader, is kind of chasing here, of course. But look at the consolidation here. Could stay more here, yeah. But this is bullish. I'll put monthly chart. just to show you. These are monthly W's, people. Could push all the way up. I don't know the tokenomics, but could definitely push a lot higher. On lower time frame, not the best location. On higher time frame, the best location. Look at it. Just look at the OBV on monthly. Look at everything. As an investor, it's still attractive. Daily chart. Let's see what we have on daily. Well, not the best. Not the best location to chase. We accepted above this level and now it's support. You can go with Holy Grail or something else and play it. You can play in a bot setup here. Yes, you can. You can take this low, this high. Think big window of risk. Use this low as a stop loss and trying to frame an AB equals CD. Huh? So kind of like, I will not frame a setup per se, but I could do something like this. Okay, take this one, put it here, and if you find a setup here, you can find a target. You can find a 2 to 1. Man. It's kind of chasing here. Well, for me, it will be something like this, people. Even if I want to do something. Come on. Huh? You can see what I'm thinking here. 1 hour Holy Grail, retest of this level, maybe even 4 hour chart. I think yes, it's an acceptable level. Let's see. Yeah, 4 hour is better. Retesting will give you an entry, stop loss here, and you have a swing trade already. Yeah, well respected ATR levels. So my solution for you, it's solution. My idea, it's Holy Grail on 4 hour chart on this one. Well, I know, but you are hitting the support level here. So I think, I'm not saying to chase, no. But we can form a new W, come back here and form a new W and get an entry. I think it's possible. I don't know more about this project. Let's XVG, okay. Let's do this one. Similar. Look at the W's. They are weekly W's, monthly W's actually. Monthly W's, people. I'm not saying chase here. You had opportunities to buy this one too many times. Now, look at where Mountain Man is. Simple. Look at the W's. You had W's in 2023. You had W's in April. If I'll put weekly chart, you had... look at this one. This was the W of the W of the W. You had opportunity here, made money. Opportunity here, made money. Ask me here about this one. Well, already on weekly chart is too late to chase it. If you are lucky and the market will come back down in the long relow zone, okay. Yeah. So, still buyable in the long relow zone. But hunt opportunities that look like this. You can see W's, breaking out. W's, breaking out. Now here it's nothing I can do in this situation here. What I can do, I could wait for the market to come back in the long relow zone. If that will happen, I'll try again. Good location, Arun. We discussed this one multiple times. So, good location. You can see it's still ranging. If you want to buy it, wait for the weekly W. I don't see the proper weekly W. I could go on daily. Now, still I don't have a clear W, not even on daily. Good location. That's all I could say for the moment. So, it's huntable. If you want to invest, okay, investable, For a trade, I don't see a proper trade. And when I see DCM here, that tells me that we need to consolidate a little bit more and then form a W the other side of the trend line. That will trigger a long for me. Not for the moment. As an investor, yeah, weekly chart looks really nice to buy some. You have to zoom out to see it. Okay, so it's coming back home. Is getting in the level, well, rejected last time. $3 is not bad. That's my 2 cents about Rune. Not my favorite project, but it's a project that could give us a setup the next couple of days, weeks. Could go all the way down here at $2 at 88.6. Of course it can. This level wasn't tested yet. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you Sunday in the weekly crypto review. Or if you are a premium member, we can see us in a New York session. 3 places available for Capua 1, people. We had 5 yesterday or 2 days ago. Now we have only 3. Who'll come first and who'll pay first will book the place. It's that simple. I don't accept more than 20 people, that's for sure. So I'll not do any exception. When we'll reach 20 people, I'll close the registration. I'm not accepting more than 20 people. I don't like to do exceptions. I don't like to do more than I said. Will make it harder for me. So it's up to you. The idea is that I have more than 3 people asking me about Capua 1 and in the DMs and only 3 places. We'll see. I sent them the same message to all of them and I told them exactly the same thing I'm telling you. It's a 4-month program. If you want, you can, for example, I could copy this one and post you the link. You should be easy to find our site. Find out what is about. You have everything you need to know about Capua 1 here. About the time zone problem, we record all the live streams, so you can watch the recording. Yeah, we don't like to use pre-recorded videos. We are doing live streams to show you, to teach you. Documents and live streams, that's the key. And at the end, the practical part of 1 month. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. See you in the Discord. Remember, Sunday we have another weekly overview. Bye bye.